Hello guys, Ibrahim Umar, X-Lab Zone Training Center, and in this video I would like to show you how to calculate the remaining days for product or contract expire date using the DATEDIF function. Um, well, let's say that I have some vehicles or cars, and then I have the date insured, and then I have the expired date to insure. I would like to calculate the remaining days. Well, so this is the expire date, and then today's date is, let me see it, today's control semicolon. Today is the 30th of September. So the remaining days, I guess, is only um, 2 days. I guess 2 days remain to expire because today the 30th and tomorrow is the first, and the day after tomorrow is only 2 days. So to do this, let's say equals the diff open parenthesis, and then the old date should be today's date. So TOD tab close parenthesis and then comma, and this is the expired date. So this is the new date, because the old date should be first and then the new date, because this is in the future. So today the 30th of September, and this one is the 2nd of October, so it's in the future, and then comma, and then double quote D double quote to calculate the remaining days. The remaining days is only D. Oh yeah, it's 2 days, and then double click to send it down. There we go. Okay. So this is the end of this video, and then see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.